All right, and so here it is. You can see that it did not take very long to build this tool chest. And of course, this is our product for today. This is an all steel toolbox with tons of storage. You have the big cabinet underneath. You have all these drawers. The drawers do have the rubber lining pre-cut out for you on the inside, and they are the easy closed drawers, meaning they're not going to slam. They actually catch themselves. As you can see, I tried to open this and this is locked. If you open the top, it unlocks these drawers, and you can see just like that. And you can't slam these drawers, which is a really cool feature. You have 5 drawers up here, 2 drawers down here, a large cabinet here. You have hooks on the side for screwdrivers and wrenches. The top toolbox itself does come with a key. You can see it right here, and it does lock when you shut the lid, and it's also made to be portable. So if you needed to take this particular set of tools somewhere, it has these nice steel handles on the side, and you can just pick it up and carry it around. Now, you do notice how well this thing moves around. It is on a set of caster wheels. 2 of them do have foot locks on them, and you also have a handle on the side right here so you can pull and roll your cart around. And just to give you a closer look, and even in the toolbox itself up here, you do have the pre-cut out rubber liner. That's going to reduce noise, and it's also going to protect your drawers from heavy objects when you put them in there. And of course, you can set your drawers up how you want to. I have a much older toolbox back here, but you can see that you can drop screwdrivers in there. If you want to have a drawer for, say, wrenches, you can just lay your wrenches out, get everything nice and organized. Now, with this being a slightly smaller toolbox, it would really be nice to use this for setting up specialty tasks, like say if you had a mechanic shop, and this could be for working on brakes cart, and you put all your brake tools in it. But you don't have to be a mechanic to use a box like this. These can also be used in tattoo parlors, beauty salons. You can use them at trade shows for storing your objects. We're going to be using them for combat robotics. And it's actually a really nice little box. It only took maybe 10-15 minutes to put together. I do like that you get a combination of skinny drawers and a couple of the larger drawers as well to store those larger objects. And down here, I'm going to show you real quick. You can see the caster wheels right here. You can see the caster wheels right here with the locks. So if you don't want it to go rolling off or down a hill, you can just lock these wheels. As I was showing you on the sides here, you do have these hooks that you can hang certain wrenches and specialty tools, hoses and such like that off of. You can move these around. They do have pre-drilled holes, so you can change the location of these little hangers. As I said, it is all steel construction. I had no issues with shipping or damage, and overall I am pleased with this little roller toolbox. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.